Hi everybody. Next we are going to discuss about the universal serial devices. That's also the communication devices. So in that UART, SP and I2C we can see. That is universal asynchronous receiver or transfer. We can see that is UART. So universal we can connect and asynchronous we made a transfer and a receiver is possibility. And also they translate between the parallel and the serial forms. There's a main and the hardware things and the hardware we are using. Mainly the RS-232 we are using in the computer systems and other peripheral interconnecting embedded devices. We can use RS-232. It's a common usage. And RS-422 and RS-485 is some special application we can use. Mainly the real world day-to-day life, your RS-232 is a common thing we are used, and also its universal designation is indicates the data transfer and the transmission speeds and configurable to the electric signaling levels is methods mainly such as a different signaling we are using. Typically they handled by the special driver circuit and the external UART we can use. And each character is set as a start and the logic is low or start bit and the configurable number, and usually we can 7 to 8 is a data and start to stop. In that we have the data 0 to 7, totally 8 data rate is available. One or more logic high is used to stop the bits, and it can be sent the bit and baud rate. It will be useful. For example, 9600 we are using the 10 value is n minus 8, n minus 1, that is 8. So we can get as a baud rate and a bit rate data and party rate and stop bit is available. So we can easily store the information. That's the protocol we can use. And universal asynchronous data transfer center receiver, we can use the sending or generating the information into the single large number. The different devices are different standards. Mainly the RS-232 center specification is electrically characteristics of the timing signals we can use by sending the information or signal in the physical size signal and the meaning, and also the physical size and the pin output is controlled. So this is mainly the electric characteristics and the timing of the signals, the meaning of signals, and the physical size and the pin output connectors. These are the main important variant functions in the various time is used in the UART. The most common thing is the four parameters used in the signal transfer, that is RxD, TxD, and RTS and CTS is mainly used. And the RxD is nothing but a signal. UART mainly receiving the data. That is the main thing of RxD. TxD is nothing but transmitting data. It will be output and usually connected to the RxD in the downstream devices. But in case of RxD, where the input and usually connected to the TXT is the downstream devices mainly. RTS is ready to send. That is ready to send is mainly used in the UART to indicate the downstream devices in the device ready to receive the information and data. And mainly CTS is nothing but a clear to send. It is down to devices identifying the transmit to send the information to OK as upstream devices we can use. This is the main four parameter we can use for the signaling methodology in the UART. That is RxD, TxD, RTS, and the CTS. And mainly that is a BDB. That is a BDB 9 is mainly used. We see already seen that serial output input port. We have totally 9. Then that 4 we can use for the reserved purpose. We can use this all the 9 input pins numbers. Mainly DT side and the DC side, mainly transfer side and the receiver side, we have the transmit data and the receive data 2, and the receive data and transmit data 3, and the request data to send and clear to send to request. So this is all the four-way communication we can use, and the stuff we can use for the communication purpose mainly. So these are the information what we use in the DB9 stuff. And this is the RS-232 transmission. What we already seen, the main focus and commercial purpose and all, we can use RS-232 signal for the transmission. Examples, we can send the signal levels and UART output pin to the time signals. We can have more number of transfer cycle. It will cover the 5 volt to plus to 12 volt, and it may be minus or plus minus plus 12 volt to minus 12 volt. It can be transferred informations. Thank you.